Hello, my name is John Botting and welcome along to this video today. You're obviously interested in how to make money but also lose weight and naturally at the same time. So what I'm going to be doing today is talking about a company called HB Naturals. We do plants and we do not do pills. I'm going to be talking about two products today. The Slimmer Lose Weight product, which is a powder, and the Slimmer Oil product as well. Okay, so let's just go into the Slimmer product first. So this is it. It is $59.95 to buy, and it does not contain any laxatives or any stimulants as it says here. And it's made with 9 powerful metabolism boosting superfoods. So we only use plants, as I said before. And also, just to let you know as well, we'll go over the products in a minute, but it's important that you know with HB Naturals, all of our products are organic, all of them are plant-based, all of them are gluten-free, all of them are non-GMO, all of them are dairy-free, all of them are soy-free, and all of them are cruelty-free. Products are guaranteed to always be like that. So let's just run through the ingredients. There is a list of the ingredients there and the percentages that they are contained within the product. Okay, so these are the main products. The first one is the Centra Trim, which is a patented herbal extract. Then we have Chromanox 3 Plus, which is also a patented pending weight loss ingredient that's that has been shown to help with healthy blood sugar levels and will decrease appetite. Then we have the Yacon root. We also have sea blackthorn berry, green coffee bean extract, and the Garcinia gambogia extract as well. So there are the main products within the Slimmer product. And if I just show you, we have a PDF of the product as well. So there's the product summary there. It says start with 1 serving of Slimmer in the morning for the first 3 days. And it just gives you an idea of basically how the best way is to take it. Gives you more information about the products that are there, suggested use, and just some responsible cautions that you need to take if you've got some medical conditions and things like that. But that's the Slimmer product. And then if you take in conjunction with that the Slimmer oil, so this is, people put this into water, for example. They can put it into beverages, and it just assists with managing cravings, and it reduces the desire to overeat. So it's a product that just sort of subsides the appetite, basically, and it's very good to take in conjunction with the Slimmer product that I just spoke to you about now. And again, there's a PDF that goes with this product. Again, shows you how to take it, talks about the ingredients of the product, and as I say, how to take it. Take it with water, and it helps you to manage your cravings. And talks about the ingredients there. So it's got pink grapefruit in it, lemon, lemongrass, peppermint, and ginger root. So all natural products, as I said before, with everything that we do. So they take those two products in conjunction with each other, and you will start to lose weight without needing to do any exercise. If you want to lose weight quicker, then obviously it's always best to do some exercise along the way as well. And then on top of that, HB Vitality is a team within the HB Naturals company. We are a team build, and we are all working together to help each other to make money. It's free to join up and take a look around and show you what it's all about. But we have a team rotator working where we will help you to build your business. So if you're looking to earn some extra money as well as losing weight, then why not combine these two together? HB Vitality, the best team within HB Naturals, along with the two great products there, which is the Slimmer product and the Slimmer Oil product as well. Thank you very much. All you need to do is sign up on the link below, get involved with the team, join our Facebook group as well. 100% money back guarantee on anything you may buy if that's going to be an issue for you later on. You have nothing to lose at all today. Just click the link here to join up, and then click the link to join our free Facebook group where you can have a look around and test drive everything for 14 days. Thank you very much. This is John Botting signing out. Goodbye then.